Hey, it's Jamie. Today I want to show you how to create, customize, and manage booking calendars in the system. Creating a booking calendar is as easy as clicking a button, literally. Choose the group you want to manage the booking calendar, go to Settings, Calendar, check this box, and save. As you can see, there are a number of ways to customize your booking calendar. This section will allow you to create a custom URL for the calendar, view the related group settings and combine calendars. The next section is all about personalizing what your booking calendar looks like. Here you can choose if your calendar shows weekends. Add an image at the top right. Set the view that it automatically loads to. Allow other group events to be shown. And set the increments for appointments within the available slot. Following that are all of the settings for the request form that your clients use to request their booking. This is where you can require advance notice. Add user fields to the form. Allow request notes. And decide if you want to show the CAPTCHA or not. Lastly, are all of the settings for what happens after they have requested the booking. By default, booking calendars are set to require approval before the appointment is actually booked. Be sure to check this setting for other options. This is where you can set the URL that requesters are taken to after submitting their request. You can also set the email, text message, and workflow that are triggered when the request is approved. You can also choose to put the date and time of the appointment in a user field with these settings here. Now that you have created your booking calendar, you will want to ensure that you have your event types and locations ready for creating the booking slots. With the booking calendar created and personalized, you can now go to the Booking tab, under Calendar, to create your available time slots. Click on the date you want to create an available slot. The slot creator will pop up. Choose the recurrence, time window, and event types that will be available for your clients to book with you. Oh! And don't forget to set up your event reminders in the group settings. Be sure to check out the Help section for more information on this and various other topics.